What's going on, my people? Long time no see. So, left off last time where I ended up buying the Corvette. So, it's been a while. Finally got to drop it off at my buddy's shop and ended up buying a couple more things, and we're on the way to the shop right now. Just got off work, so don't mind that I'm all sweaty and dirty and shit. But yeah, I'm on my way to the shop to drop off a couple things. So most of the things are already at the shop because Matt had them ordered for me. Things I ordered were good old Holley Terminator X. These things are supposed to be amazing. I've heard nothing bad about them, and eliminates all the electrical problems I have with the C5. Of course, here we have the monster clutch that's gonna be going in. You can see I've had this for a while just sitting around, but I did buy it brand new. I ended up buying the Stage 4, which is still a single disc. Not sure how much it was actually rated for, but I know they're up there. Most importantly, you need a baffle. So this little thing right here is going to keep my motor from starving, because I actually spent a pretty penny on the motor and I don't need it to starve. It's actually a pretty simple part, as you can see. Any form of racing, highly recommend improved racing. Now this thing, it's gonna be sticking out of the hood. Good old high ram. We're gonna be making some pretty ponies. Gotta buy the best. Going with a LS3 throttle body that I got from my good buddy Chris from Drift HQ. Good old Magic Man HQ. So last time I posted a YouTube video, it was about 5 months ago, I want to say. So it's been a while. Reason for that is because my boy Matt is a busy guy. So he busts his ass all day, every day. He tries to push out all the projects. Never gets a break. So finally he got to my car, thankfully. If you follow Kenny Slides, you'll see that he's been trying to do a gender reveal, and hopefully it'll happen at the Freedom Factory. So we're trying to get a hold of Garrett or Cletus so we can make something happen, have a Freedom Day, just a couple of us boys, and hopefully that's gonna be my first drive with the Corvette. So depending on what he says, hopefully he'll give us a date in the next couple weeks. And I'm hoping it's about a month away. That way I can actually have some seat time, because as we all know, last car I've actually drifted was my Camaro, and I haven't driven since the car went down 3 years ago. I was really hoping I could get something done for the 4th of July, but I don't want to rush anything. I want to make sure everything's done fine. So whatever time it takes Matt to finish the car, as long as it's 100% running right, which I have 100% faith on, time is really not worth risking the amount of money that I have into this car. If you guys watch Street Outlaws, make sure to keep an eye out for a yellow Fox body. That's my boy Matt and Justin. Justin's the driver. They're the ones building my motor. So it's kind of cool that they're actually on TV on a show that everybody watches. So make sure to check them out. Oh my God, what is that? Is that a mailbox for a hood scoop? All right. Stay out of trouble here. Not gonna do any burnouts, nothing. But I am gonna cut this person off because fuck that guy. Good old NBA Motorsports. There's my girl. It's my boy's truck. That's a future drift car. Of course, Matt's gonna be the one driving it. Got a turbo 5.3 Jeep. Here's the one you're gonna be seeing. Street Outlaws. We ain't fucking around. Got a Solstice with the 4-cylinder, 2.4s. We have my buddy's Turbo Trans Am. It's actually naturally aspirated. Don't let this thing fool you. That's an inner fooler. It's bubble wrapped for a reason. It's soft. We got the yee boys. Yee. What are you doing there, Justin?
Trying to fix my damn brake lights. They haven't worked in like 6 months.
Ah, shit.
Dodge problems.
Dodge problems. Oh, I gotta tell you, next time I come back, I'm gonna have to make an OnlyFans account, sell some feet pics or something.
If you want to, we can do it. I got nice feet.
He's got nice feet.
I got some pretty feet down here.
You got some nice feet. Oh, a little preview. Oh shit. Well, I mean, I got my ingrown toenail special going on.
There's some ankle for
$5.99. It's the first 200 subscribers. Hit me up, dog.
Anything after that, it's $7.99.
$7.99 after that. You heard the man. Hopefully next time I see her, she's gonna be one rowdy bitch.